going to be a sequel.
No more! Mother, I love you! Dad, I'm sorry! I tried! Cindy! I guess you were the first one to know.
Cindy! Oh. Okay.
Push.
No, don't push
Oh, man.
This is where someone gets
This is Vicky going insane again.
Jeff, I love you!
Yeah. Really, this one was better.
You're
going nowhere!
I'm safe for me.
That looks really wrong, just so you all know.
It is very wrong.
No, like, it looks even more wrong from the camera's point of view.
Gee, I wonder why, Charlie.
Because it's Charlie behind the camera.
It's not my fault, I was sent to my room.
But you came out.
I got it again.
If you come out of your room, will you help me?
What?
Charlie's like,
I don't know, this is pretty good.
Now that looks really wrong.
Charlie! Michael Patrick! Vicky, kick him.
To be perfectly honest, I'm kind
There's
of
a
proud of
folding
you
chair.
for
Push it over his head.
No chair.
Seriously, like I told you before,
Vicky wants
if you
the
fart,
chair.
you'll be so disgusted they'll have to let go of you.
No, he's a guy. It won't hurt.
It'll just make me laugh. I win.
Alright, that also looks very wrong.
I'm sure it does.
Actually, that one doesn't look.
Tim, I think you're gonna love these videos when I'm
I will.
Vicky, I'm sorry, but it's just too much fun.
Vicky, this is probably where you wish you could bite really, really hard. Bite him in the arm.
Yeah, she can bite really, really hard. I know.
Matt knows first too.
I think my shoulder blade is missing.
That could be interpreted in so many ways.
He doesn't have pressure. It doesn't work. Vicky, kick him.
Come on, do something.
Like what?
I don't know, Tim. I don't know, do something.
You lose.
Okay.
I'm trying to videotape this.
I don't know what to do next.
Headlock.
There we go.
Earthquake fart.
See, I had to get movement going.
Vicky, bite him. His fingers are right there.
Well, at least you're moving your legs
He's
now.
like, I can't reach.
See, this is when you do the earthquake scenes, Matt.
No. I hate you. Thank you. Charlie, I'm sure if there was a bubbly effect, you would do that, right?
Oh, of course.
Come on, let's try this. Come on. No, I can't do it. You guys are too fat.
Alright, that one sounded more wrong than it looked.
She's biting my shoulder.
Bite him harder.
Damn it, I was gonna get a close up on the bite.
Alright, we have 5 seconds left on this video.
Leave Vicky alone.
Okay.
Let her go. Thank you.
Brand new camera, Vicky.